Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best jasmine rice is probably one of the most versatile and fragrant grains you can find in the Asian market. Its delicate floral aroma and slightly sweet taste make it a perfect companion for a wide array of dishes, from savory curries to refreshing salads. But with so many brands and varieties available, how do you choose the perfect bag of jasmine rice for your next meal? Number 5. 3 inches to 1 cup lid cleaning brush set. This 3-in-1 cleaning brush set is designed for all your cleaning needs. It includes a cup mouth brush, a gap brush, and a corner brush to get into those hard-to-reach places. Made with top-tier materials, this brush set is built to last. It can withstand temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius, ensuring it will perform well for a long time. The design of this brush set is all about convenience. It features a 180-degree rotatable design and hanging holes for easy storage, helping you save space. This brush set can be used on a variety of items. From glasses and sports cups to kettles and pacifiers, it's perfect for keeping everything clean. Simplify your cleaning routine with this innovative set. With a combination of soft and hard bristles, it makes cleaning easy and gives you great results with minimal effort. What we like. This 3-in-1 cleaning brush set is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks. It's made from premium materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient way to clean your baby bottles, cups, and other items, you should consider this. What people say. The rice is fragrant and cooks up perfectly. The rice is fluffy and has a great taste. It is a great value for the price. Number 4. Asian Best Jasmine Rice, 5 pound. This rice is naturally fragrant, offering a delightful aroma. It enhances any meal with its subtle, inviting scent. This product is made with selected premium quality rice. You can taste the difference in every bite, knowing you're getting the best. It is low in cholesterol, making it a healthy choice. Enjoy your favorite dishes without the worry. This rice is also low in fat, supporting a balanced diet. It is a great option for those watching their fat intake. It is low in sodium, which is beneficial for your health. This product is a delicious and health-conscious choice. What we like. This rice is naturally fragrant and made from selected premium quality grains. With its low cholesterol, fat, and sodium content, it's a healthier choice for your meals. If you are health-conscious and enjoy flavorful rice, you should choose this. What people say. The rice is fragrant and cooks up perfectly. The rice is fluffy and has a great taste. It's a great value for the price. Number 3. Dynasty Jasmine Rice, 20 pound. Introducing Dynasty Jasmine Rice. This 20-pound package is perfect for all your cooking needs. It's a great choice for various Asian dishes and meals. This large package ensures you have plenty of rice on hand. It's ideal for families or anyone who loves to cook with rice regularly. You will love it. This rice is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for a wide range of Asian-inspired recipes. Try it today. It's made with all natural ingredients. You can feel good about what you're eating. It's a healthy and delicious choice. This rice is organic. It's grown with care, ensuring the highest quality. Enjoy the pure taste of nature. This rice is imported directly from Thailand. It brings the authentic taste of Thailand to your table. Experience the difference. What we like. This rice comes in a generous 20-pound package, perfect for families or those who cook frequently. It's ideal for various Asian dishes and meals, offering versatility in your kitchen. If you like to cook a lot of Asian food and prefer organic options, you should consider this. What people say. It cooks well, doesn't stick to my pots, and it's very fluffy. It's a bit sticky and sweet tasting also. Safe rice quality. Easy to cook. Measure 1 part rice and 1.5 parts water, bring to a boil together, then reduce heat to very low and cook covered for 15 to 20 minutes. Long grain, pearly appearance. No detritus or bugs. Number 2. Asian Best Jasmine Rice, 25 pound. This rice is naturally fragrant, offering a delightful aroma. It will enhance your meals with its pleasant scent, making every bite more enjoyable. This product is made from selected premium quality grains. You can be assured of its superior taste and texture, perfect for any dish. It is low in cholesterol, making it a healthy choice. You can enjoy your favorite meals without worrying about your cholesterol levels. This rice is also low in fat, contributing to a balanced diet. It is a great option for those who are health conscious and looking for a nutritious meal. It is low in sodium, which is beneficial for your health. It allows you to enjoy the natural flavors of your food without excess salt. What we like. This rice is naturally fragrant and made from selected premium quality grains. With its low cholesterol, fat, and sodium content, it's a healthier choice for your meals. If you are health conscious and enjoy flavorful rice, you should choose this. What people say. This also has a nice texture and fluffed up well. It's incredibly fragrant and cooks up perfectly every time, whether I'm making stir-fry, curry, or just a simple side dish. The texture is consistently fluffy and tender, and the aroma is amazing. Number 1. 3 Ladies Jasmine Rice Long Grain 5 pounds. Introducing 3 Ladies Jasmine Rice. This long grain rice is also known as Thai fragrant rice. It's a product of Thailand. This bag contains 5 pounds of delicious jasmine rice. It's perfect for your family meals. Grown in Thailand, this rice brings authentic flavors to your table. You can enjoy the taste of Thailand with every bite. This is a long grain rice, known for its fluffy texture and delicate aroma. It's easy to cook and tastes great. The package weight is 5 pounds. It's convenient for storage and usage. What we like. This rice is also known as Thai fragrant rice, offering an authentic taste. It's a product of Thailand, ensuring quality and tradition. If you like authentic Thai fragrant rice, you should choose this. What people say. Cook a pot of store brand rice and then cook a pot of 3 Ladies brand rice and compare. You will be amazed that rice has a flavor, and it's not just rice with soy sauce as us Americans usually like to eat it. It's actually amazing. I highly recommend this brand specifically. I've tried many other brands and this one tastes the best and cooks the best. Rinsed and cooked using the finger method. As always, it's fragrant, flavorful, and perfect. Fresh and fragrant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.